Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Jest video tutorial we will see that how we can test a promise with the async await. So we are just doing everything from the very scratch. If you don't know how to install the Jest and how we can just write the first case, then you can just get the link from the description box. A complete playlist is placed here. So now let's make two files, one for the promise, or you can say that the async function. Let's say fetch data.js, and now just make a test a file for the test case. So just write here fetch data.test.js. You can just take any name for your file, but the test case should be extension with the test.js. So I'm just going to write a async function. So just write here a function fetch data, and it will return basically a promise. Just write here new promise, and here you know that promise have the two parameters, one for the reject and another for the resolve. So just write here resolve and reject. So just resolve this promise for now, and here you can just pass something like done or whatever you just want to pass here. Now let's just export this function module.export, and it will be export the fetch data. Now in the test file just make a const. Let's say your const name is fetch data, and it will just required or export the fetch data file. So just write here fetch data. All right, and after this let's just write your test function. As you know, in the test function we have the two parameters, one for the test message like test async function, and here in the second parameter you must have to define your test code here, right? So let's take const here with the data, and just use await for the fetch data function because this is the async. And you know, if we are using the await, then we must have to define the async function here. All right, so it will be like async like this. All right, so now just write here the expectations. So expect, we are just going to expect the data which is coming from here, and to be will be like done because we are just passing the done from here. So let's match with that done it. All right, so now let's just clear out the command line and just write here command npm run test. Here you can see that this test case is passed. If you just want to make it fail, then you can just change this string like not yet or whatever you just want to put. Here you can see that it will just fail the test case, and it will just say that the expected is not yet but receiving done. All right, so this is that the way that how you can just check your async function with the async await. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.